Looking to add a personal touch to your home decor? Then watch this video till the end, where I will show you how to paint your wall and how to create a very creative and visually pleasant wall gallery. So if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Without wasting any time, let's get started. The first step to paint wall is first priming the wall. As my wall is already primed, I am directly go for the paint. Here I am using Asian Paint GM Grey G color, which is a smoky blue color. It's actually a grey color with a blue undertone in it. It is very beautiful color, so I have chosen this color for my wall. At first I am starting with the brush, which I am using for painting that corners of the walls. After completing the sides and all the corners with the use of a paint brush, now I am using the roller to paint the rest of the wall. Remember that if your wall is not primed, first you have to prime the wall properly. After that you can go only for your favorite wall color. Now after doing the wall painting, it's time to create the stunning and pleasant wall gallery. For that I have ordered some picture frames from Meesho in a very affordable price. I will give the link in the description below if you want to buy in case. To make the wall gallery, I am going for my favorite family pictures. You can go for your favorite artwork also, as all my picture frames are black in color and I want to give a mix and match color in my wall gallery. I'm using a white spray paint and gold spray paint to color the frames. I'm choosing two frames for white and 2 frames for gold color. Here I am removing the back of the frames, and one by one I will put all the pictures in the frame. This is one of my favorite photo. It is from my marriage, where my husband is giving me sindoor dan. So this is one of my favorite and lovable moments. When planning a wall gallery, I like to lay picture frames on the ground to get an idea for what the arrangement and spacing will look on the wall. So I'm starting with the largest pieces in the middle and adding more pieces around it and just reshuffling the pictures to see which one is showing visually correct to me. So here now in the wall where I will put all the pictures, I'm just measuring the wall and finding out the middle of the wall, and here my husband also helping me for this measurement. Here I am now using a very heavy duty adhesive wall double tape to attach the frames to the wall. You can drill on the wall and go for screw and hooks for the picture frames, but here I'm using double-sided tape because if I want to rearrange or reshuffle or want to add more things, then I can do it, and it is also very renter friendly. So if you're renting someone, this is the best way to do a wall gallery. Before revealing the final look, let's take back a look how the wall was look like before. It was bare, it was dull, and this is the final result. Look how the fresh coat of paint instantly changed the space. It has elevated the space so much. It is looking so much fresh, so much airy and visually pleasant. For such a long time I am waiting for this makeover. I want to create this stunning wall gallery of my family where I can cherish all the moments I have spent with my family, all the memories from the past. So yeah, at last I have created. Let me know about how do you think of this wall gallery and how do you like the space. So if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.